Good morning, welcome to London, welcome to today's video. I'm starting a new job today.
Oh, love surround me but so lonely as of late. I'm in Audi in the anywhere that's great. Pick the pedals off the roses.
The person you are calling is unable to take your call.
We missed the lift, we missed the lift, we missed the lift. Lift's there, on that side.
Hey! So yeah, I have a new job. Why am I at Jam Cycling, you ask? George, can I have a job?
Yeah, right. What can you do?
Photos and stuff?
I tell you what he can do, he can pin numbers on very, very well.
Sorry, video about that.
So for the foreseeable future, I'm going to be doing 2 days a week working with my mates at Jam Cycling. These guys are the distributors for Info Crank, Kogel Bearings, a bunch of other stuff, and I'm going to be doing all the video and photo for them. Today's my first day. So far we just watched the Tour de France, right? Easy. So you may have spotted in the video we did with Chris in the TT, he was wearing a new base layer from Metier. That's one of the companies that Jam distribute. We've got a bunch of the new ones here. So we're going to go out, have a spin, take some photos of the new products. Oh man, I know why we chose you as a model. You're like one of those strong guys, steak and eggs.
It looks like it's the young riders' jersey.
You can stop now. Work it, work it, work it, work it, work it. That one's a bit small. Yeah, that one there, yeah.
Well, your pal.
Let's get a Chris to carry it. Put it in his bottle cage.
It's not the one I like.
No?
No, it's not the one I like. I don't know if I told you. I might have told you the other day. So I was riding along to go see a bike shop, as I do, and an Uber driver came up alongside me. It was quite close, and he rolled down his window and just started shouting out at me.
You're ready for a fight.
I was like, "What's going on here? I've not done anything wrong." He's like, "Hello, friend of Francis." I'm like, "What?" And it took me a minute to realise what the hell he said. I was like, "Oh, hello." So he spotted me from the Atticus Green jersey that I was wearing.
Did he?
Yeah.
Good jersey.
Good jersey.
Get ready. Huh? Pulling it in, isn't it? Pulling it in. You got a wonky head.
How do you...
You can't lift back to front.
You look like an idiot, don't you?
Looks like a beret.
They are cool, aren't they?
What are they? What are they?
They are a Ride 100%.
The thing is that Peter Sagan wears.
They're the brand that Peter Sagan wears, and they were painted by... yeah, 99%, 99 cents. The guy that, friend of mine who's a sprayer, airbrushing, all that kind of stuff, he basically buys, I'll be honest, fake glasses to practice paint jobs.
They're fake?
They're fake, yeah. And he practices paint jobs, and he basically was like, oh, I've done some that I think go really well with your quirk, do you want them? And alas, they turned up, and they're pretty rad. Whoa.
Oh man, that's a nice haircut.
It's good, isn't it?
It's a pretty decent sized hole.
You really want to ride your Factor?
I really want to ride my Factor, but it's a pretty good hole. It's currently held. I put a sticker in there. I used one of the Deafy stickers that Chris McGlynn gave me, so it's currently a sticker in there as a patch, but it's already punctured twice.
Stickers aren't very good then, are they?
Sticker?
I mean, look at the amount of wheels behind you.
Yeah.
I mean, put a disc on, why not?
Well, that's such an arsehole.
Look at his arse mark.
You look like an arsehole anyway. Your arse has rubbed the saddle.
Yeah.
18,000 kilometres, that saddle.
It's one with
pretty new
sandpaper on it that like...
Yeah.
You just touched the bit that his gooch goes on.
Yeah, it's because it's, chamois cream in there, I suppose.
Yeah.
And sweat.
Whoa.
Chamois cream.
Got a hole in mine.
So saying we should ride that
Oh no, so have I.
Oh no!
Go for my tyre so I can ride my
Why don't you just ride that, mate? Just ride that.
Cassette on
That's a
it.
front wheel. Do you know how many miles this tyre did? 300. It was a brand new tyre.
And it's knackered.
And it's shafted. I mean, look at that. It's a
That's what
nightmare.
the Michelin Man made it.
Michelin Man had a nightmare.
Well, when I was a kid, I used to get the Michelin Man mixed up with the Ghost from Ghostbusters.
All the puff pastry
Pillsbury
guy.
dough puff Mr. Poppenfresh.
Yeah. Pop Man Fresh.
Or is that a different guy
No,
again?
I think that's the guy.
Lift is very hot.
It's not, it's still.
No, it's not going up yet.
Right, it's time to find some locations to take some shots. You've had some new caps printed, so I think that's what we're going for. How are you feeling now? You've had a couple of days to recover from your TT. Has it even been a couple of days? Have you just been asleep the whole time?
So, do you know, I'm not as sore as I thought I'd be. Obviously, there's a little bit of stiffness, a bit of uncomfortable, you know, points of my body, but I thought I'd be a lot worse than I am, if I'm completely honest with you. I am tired, understandably, but like, you know, everything's a bit sore. I mean, it's understandable. You ride for 24 hours hard, you're going to feel a bit knackered, but it could be worse. It could be a lot worse.
Hey, let's go do some more riding.
Yeah, it's exactly what I need, isn't it?
I've just taken these guys to a top secret location near George's house. Didn't even know about this. Look, they've even got a green fountain to match the green of Jam.
Because you get lost so often, you find things.
I do get lost a lot. It's a good spot.
Yeah, it's nice.
Fountain that when it's windy,
And with a bit of cloud, it's perfect.
it sprays on you.
There is a lot of fountains going into yonder
And
distance.
there's no sign saying I can't get inside them, so I'm really tempted to get swimming in them next time. It's really hot.
Well, that was an intense 10-minute ride.
8.5.
Is this what happens? Just first day at Jam, which is a cafe. Watch Tour de France, go to a cafe,
Second cafe
take
of the
3
day.
photos,
Yeah.
second cafe of the day.
Yeah.
I've written a few emails.
I responded to an
To who?
Instagram post. Me.
You look awful.
Awfully dashing.
Awfully dashing.
Which is funny because he runs weird. Think about it. Think about it.
You do run weird, don't you?
You awfully dash.
I do awfully dash, yeah.
Okay, dad joke.
You're going to be a dad. It's a dad joke, he's going to be a dad.
Daddy George.
The baby will be well hairy.
Come out like a little Ewok.
Imagine.
Like a Furby will come out.
Start off life as a Furby.
So we're just searching for some locations to shoot. It's always fun doing this in London because you find lots of places you would not otherwise. Like this bit, in this place, in London, somewhere. Where are we?
London! Owl. Owl.
So noisy! Every time we try to film stuff, there's something like that.
Bunch of choppers.
London. Is it MI6?
South London heliport.
On top of MI6.
Yeah.
Isn't it MI5?
MI7.
MI7?
maybe.
007.
MI107.
So it seems I hold my head a little too high.
So we're standing next to the giant pretzel near Clapham. We found this weird, like, half pipey thing. Come on, man, you can do it. I'm not gonna do too many hill reps because tomorrow I'm running to Paris. Well, over 3 days. It's Hot Chili's 15th edition of London Paris. So I'm gonna be joining them for just over 300 miles, I think it is. First stage is just down to the coast. Yeah. Sven, who you may know from previous editions of these videos, he's the owner of Hot Chili, and he was very excited to actually ride the 15th edition of London Paris. Unfortunately, he had a mountain biking accident and he's broken both his arms, like I did, and his fingers. So I think he's going to be in a support car.
How have you like?
You okay?
How?
They managed to stick.
You
They stuck. You're just sliding.
I was just like gonna slide it down.
It's because you're a walrus.
Yes.
What, Dynamo?
Dino.
Already?
Cafe stop free.
This is almost as bad as that Operation Dickabout with Christian House, do you remember?
I do. Cafe stop number 9.
10 miles ridden.
Yeah. The process, we lost the photographer as well. Do you remember? So we couldn't even get any photography done.
It's nice to meet you, thank you.
Hey mate, do you see what colour mine is?
So enjoy things like free
know what that is,
days.
Just shake. That's back down first now.
Yeah, that's a rubbish idea. Oh my god. Oh my god.
One of your boys, mate.
One of my bros.
One of your bros.
I've got him in my Tour de France fantasy team, and he's got me no points so far. And that was his opportunity to get me
Crashed
some
for
points.
you. He crashed for you.
Crashed to spite me.
He doesn't know you, George.
How do you know?
I don't, but I'm guessing.
He might.
Does he know?
Yeah, seen him on Francis Cade's YouTube channel.
Simon Yates watches him. Or Adam Yates. Adam Yates watches him.
Yeah, me and Simon don't get on, but Adam and I are tight.
Where are you? You going to another cafe? I thought you were going to a bike race.
Yeah.
Not racing.
Cafe first. I race on Sunday, so I'm going to watch Owen race, if Owen turns up.
He's having a party on his own.
Banging.
Will Garling.
I nearly broke your bike, man. You guys are not going the same way as me. This is really sad. I'm going to go this way, ride around the park fast. First day, complete.
First day successfully completed.
Fail.
Didn't fail.
Nice. What's the job title you gave me, by the way?
Me?
Yeah, do you remember we put me into the system as like something wizard? Something.
I think it's content creation king.
Content wizard on the website.
Yeah, one of the two. On your employment form,
I'm happy with either.
I think in your employment form it says content creation king. Max is down as the sales wizard. No, sales knight.
Right, he's a knight.
Yeah, with a K.
What are you?
Boss.
What's he?
Chris.
What's his she?
I want to be Lady Marmalade, but
The bottles are weird.
Pardon?
They look like they've been jizzed on.
Yeah, they have.
you.
See you later. You know what?
What?
Something that someone's been requesting for a long time.